To create Disney-style posters using AI, start by opening your browser and searching for a diagram. Then click on the link for aogram.ai, a completely free tool. After agreeing to the terms of service and completing the registration process by entering your username, you can proceed to enter your prompt. For example, you can create a Disney Pixar-style movie poster about any subject you like, such as a man with a beard on a deserted island with palm trees, and include the title, which will also generate Disney-style text. Next, select the 3D render and poster options. Choose the ratio, and click Generate. The AI will create 4 Disney-style posters for you, and you can browse through them to find one you like. If you want to create more similar posters, you can click the Remix option, which will use the image as a starting point, and then click Generate again to create 4 more similar images. You can then choose the one you like best, and if needed, modify it by removing elements like the Disney logo. Finally, you can right-click and save the image, and you will have created your own AI-generated Disney poster.